This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
My lord, the matter is, my lord, we had made an application on 23rd, my lord, which is at page 23. My lord, on 23rd, we made an application that pursuant to the incident which had happened in Delhi with regard to the lathi charge on the students, my lord, we want to hold a protest rally from a particular place, my lord, that is College Square to Esplanade, or from Paksaka 7-point crossing to Moulali More via CIT Road, my lord. And we wanted to hold it on 25th, my lord. We had given a detailed communication. My lord, thereafter, my lord, we had held telephonic communication with...
Already that period is over. That is on 25th. Today is 25th and it is at 3:13.
My lord, the entire...
What is the use of...
The gathering is waiting, my lord. My lord, the gathering is waiting for millards to allow so that they can...
Without hearing them, without directing the police authority, my order will be... if I direct them without hearing the police authorities and the administration, then if any situation, untoward incident takes place, then the court will be held responsible.
Milord will kindly appreciate that we had, while taking leave, we had made them...
What is the agenda of that program?
Milord, it is to show solidarity, milord, to the students.
You could have joined them yesterday.
No, milord.
There was a huge gathering yesterday.
Milord, that was permitted by the police, and somebody else had...
The situation is such. This court cannot see the this court is not seeing the situation is absolutely normal, and if court starts giving permission at this stage, directing the students wing of different political organization to hold rally, the issue may escalate.
Milord, at the same point of time, milord will kindly appreciate,
because
if the students' voice are curtailed, milord,
for rejecting your rally.
Milord, there is no ground. Milord will kindly see. Milord, the rejection is at, milord, page... milord, before that, milord, let me allow me to place two more
facts.
What
are the ground? Show me.
Milord, it is at page 26. Milord, may I place it?
No.
Milord.
Wait.
Service chief.
এই পেছনের এসিটা বন্ধ করতে বলো তো। Yes, there is law and order situation may create problem.
Milord will then appreciate two things, milord. First is, milord, after
because today's situation is not absolutely normal so far student protest is concerned, because the issue has spread to major cities, including our city.
Milord.
So if you want to show solidarity, join them. But no separate orders will pass at this.
Milord,
at least
milord, today there is no other rally, milord, going on.
Permit such rally.
Milord, today, milord, there is no rally going on apart from our gathering, milord.
No.
And milord, there are
because
two things, milord, will kindly appreciate.
Absolutely normal.
Milord will kindly appreciate two more things, milord. One is, milord, after our application...
Try to take advantage of
No, milord, after our application, milord, the police gave us permission, milord, that is an acknowledgement to that effect, milord. Milord will kindly see, milord.
Matter is moved on before this court under in view of...
Milord will see that there is an acknowledgement on behalf of the police.
Matter is taken up for consideration.
Milord will record my submissions then, milord, at least. Milord will also appreciate, milord, even the education minister of the state country had to resign, milord, because of this protest, milord.
Pursuant to the leave granted.
The state is appearing, milord, if I'm...
Most humblest. আচ্ছা না দরকার নেই দেখো আচ্ছা এটা একটা ফর্মাল অনারেবল ইজ দেয়ার by the Honorable Acting Chief Justice. permitting the petitioner to move this writ petition in view of urgency on 25th July 2026. Stop. Next paragraph. West Bengal Trinamool Chhatra Parishad. Who is the petitioner?
Milord, the president, Milord, Priyanka Adhikari.
Have you stated in the writ petition?
Milord, it is there, Milord. It is there in the cost title as well as, Milord, it is there. Milord, paragraph 4.
President of West Bengal Trinamool Chhatra Parishad koro. President of West Bengal Trinamool Chhatra Parishad has presented this writ petition, comma, inter alia, comma, seeking permission to hold a rally from Padmapukur to Moulali.
Hello.
From Padmapukur to Moulali today, comma, 25th July 2026, between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. Which has been, or which was not permitted by the concerned police authority.
Milord, first permitted, then refused.
Where is the permission?
Milord, will kindly take up page
23.
Page 24, Milord. Milord, we'll see the Joint Commissioner of Police Headquarters, Milord. He replies. And Milord, Milord will also appreciate, Milord.
Where is the permission?
Milord, 1 minute, Milord. Milord, after we made an application at page 23, thereafter there was series of communications, Milord, with the OC Beniapukur, which is at paragraph 7, 8, and 9. And Milord, thereafter, Milord, there was a change as per suggested by the police.
Change.
No, Milord, that was the Milord.
What is the suggestion?
Milord, I will just point that out, Milord. Milord, will kindly take up paragraph 7.
Achha,
Paragraph 6 onwards.
very well. And लिखो तो.
It a print.
By the concerned police authorities. Stop.
Milord, the letter of service, Milord, is also here. Milord, the learned government pleader is appearing, Milord.
Yes, Milord, I appear in this matter led by the learned Advocate General, Milord.
Yes.
Mr. Advocate General is
What
also.
is your stand?
Milord, he is also appearing online.
What is your stand?
Milord, in fact, Milord, definitely we are opposing this application because it is belatedly served. We do not have proper instructions at this juncture. Your Lordship, kindly consider this application has been served upon me in my personal email ID, Lord, at about 11 a.m. Lord, now, Lord, your Lordship, kindly consider the reasons, Lord, for declining the prayer. Lord, your Lordship, kindly consider that.
Existing circumstances is pivotal.
I understand, Lord.
Existing
But kindly see
circumstances is one of the reasons for not permitting. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Mitro. Yes,
My lord, I will tell your lordship. If your lordship looks into the petition, my lord, lordship will find, my lord, this stand. My lord, never ever, my lord, it was said that permission will not be granted. Till, my lord, yesterday evening. Now, my lord, yesterday, my lord, after the afternoon, in fact, my lord, towards the end, my lord, lordship possibly also has faced the difficulty, but I am not very certain. Situations completely changed. My lord, today, My lord, with greatest of respect, my lord, we have to, my lord, ensure, my lord, there is, my lord, no breach of peace and tranquility. Now, my lord, we also have to, my lord,
Metro Court is of the view that today's situation is not absolutely normal.
absolutely.
view of the
That is exactly why, my lord, at around 11, it
Not
was said.
absolutely normal permitting a student wing to hold a rally in view of the
Absolutely.
present scenario, and such permission may escalate tension.
Absolutely, I'm obliged, my lord. That is exactly why, my
That
lord.
is view of this court also.
What is-
Today, with
I'm obliged,
the
my lord.
permission of the High Court, if a rally is organized, and if it is, and if any, if such rally is turned into a, if this rally will lead an untoward incident, then this court will be held responsible.
I'm obliged, my lord. I am exactly, my lord. I was
Because
submitting
this
that.
student unrest is spreading throughout, spreading to the major cities, including our city. There was huge gathering. That is why this court was asking Mr. Nag, representing the petitioner, that why they did not join yesterday, since there was a huge protest. So separate rally at this stage, court finds is not permissible to be conducted in view of the present scenario.
I am obliged, my lord. That is exactly my submission.
Yes.
Not only one submission to what Mr. Learned Advocate General is submitting, my lord.
On
There
a
cannot be
case-to-case
discrimination, my lord, for
basis,
giving
or
permission.
if different political organizations will come and pray for holding rally at this stage, this court finds it is not feasible.
I am obliged, my lord. I am obliged. I was only, my
Sir,
lord.
my lord,
while, my lord,
everybody does not have a right
reading the
to
brief, my lord, I was
make
only
protest, my
thinking,
lord,
my
even
lord,
if they are
that
from different
my lord,
organizations.
Yes,
anything happens, my lord, our conscience will preach.
Restrictions, my lord,
Yes, yes.
restrictions
So
will
that
be imposed.
at this stage, court will not permit. Sorry.
My lord, will kindly record my submissions, my lord. Let the submissions be there, my lord. That's it. And my lord, allow me to please place page 5 of the writ petition once, my lord, where there is a suggestion from the police to change the.
Yes, yes. I'm obliged.
Yes, yes.
That
I'm
will
not
show, my
saying
lord, that
they
there was no
suggested we
malafide on the
accepted.
part of,
They
my lord, the
suggested we
authority.
accepted. Thereafter,
The
there was
authority
a.
accepted. Till, my lord, yesterday evening at
That is what
I
I'm
look
saying.
into the
Situation was
mail.
completely different.
My lord,
As
we
we
will
have
be
also seen in the
maintaining
newspaper.
absolute law and
As
order.
we have also seen in the newspaper. So
Look, I
therefore,
am not denying that.
don't make a program, or don't conduct a program which will escalate the situation.
Miller,
That
only situation
will
is
not
that the
permit.
students, the feelings and sentiments of the students has to be respected, Miller, with or without the permission.
আরেকবার পড়ো।
Let's see.
And না, concerned police authorities, stop. Read a email letter. Who has issued this letter? Mr. Nag, page 26.
Miller, page 26 has
Email
been.
letter.
Miller, this is the Joint Commissioner of Police Headquarters, Sudeep Sarkar, IPS.
The court will get it.
Miller will kindly see at the top, Miller, it is written Sudeep Sarkar. The email ID says JTCPHQ, which is Joint Commissioner of Police Headquarters.
কি বলছিলাম? ভিডে কি বলছিলাম? স্টপ দে। সেন্টেন্সটা কি বলছেন? ভিডে ইমেল। By email letter dated 24 July 2026. Joint Commissioner of Police Headquarters finally declined to grant permission as sought for by the petitioner to hold rally today, 25th July 2026. And same is subject matter of challenge in this writ petition. Petitioner prays for direction. Petitioner prays for issuance of mandamus directing concerned police authorities to permit West Bengal Trinamool Chhatra Parishad to convene rally as per their last WhatsApp communication. Page 25, what is the date? 24 July 2026.
My lord, this is not WhatsApp communication. This is mail communication.
Page 25, mail communication.
Yes, yes, my
It's
lord.
not WhatsApp.
No, no, no. This is mail.
As per their
Mail from Joint CP
communication
headquarters.
dated 24 July 2026,
No, no, no.
which was forwarded to the concerned police authority by email. Next paragraph, Mr. Nag, learned advocate representing the petitioner, submits.
I also want to cite a judgment of my lords only, if my lord permits.
In consideration of the right enshrined, right guaranteed under Article 19(1) within bracket A and Article 19(1) within bracket B of the Constitution of India, petitioners organization has right to organize rally in order to express its solidarity to the student protest which is continuing throughout the country against NEET paper leak.
Yes.
Stop. Police authorities, Kolkata Police Authority, according to the petitioner, on the pretext of public safety and security, ought not to have rejected application seeking permission to hold such rally.
Along with that, my lord, the order passed by my lords, my lord. In just last week, my lord had been pleased to pass an order.
Stop.
My lord will kindly refer this, my lord, as my submission, my lord.
Stop. Dekhi do.
This is the order, my lord. My lord has been passed. My lord had given certain restrictions, my lord.
Stop. In this regard, reliance is placed on the judgment of this court dated 7 July 2026, passed on writ petition being WPA 15775 of 2026 within bracket Arnab Banerjee and another versus the state of West Bengal and others. Next paragraph, Mr. Surojit Nath Mitra, learned Advocate General, assisted by Mr. Divyendra Narayan Rai, learned Government Leader, represents state respondents on virtual mode and has opposed this writ petition, highlighting present situation as emerging due to widespread student and youth protest, due to widespread protest at the instance of students, and youth of the country is going on the issue of NEET paper leak. Stop. It is submitted. It is stressed on behalf of the state respondents. It is pointed out on behalf of the state respondents that even yesterday, at Esplanade, being the heart of the city, there was huge gathering of students and youth of the state, which police authority had to tackle. And according to the state respondents, situation may go beyond control at any point of time if separate rallies are organized by separate political organization at this stage. According to the state by the Joint Commissioner of Police Headquarters, as it is reflected from the email letter dated 24 July 2026, is justified considering existing circumstances. Next paragraph.
Appearance.
It is true that a right is guaranteed under Article 19 1A and B. In favor of citizens of the country to express freedom of speech and expression and to assemble peacefully and without arms. But such right is subject to reasonable restrictions. Stop. A balance has to be struck in between right of the citizens to hold rally and express their mind vis-a-vis right of the administration to regulate such program in the interest of all, so that all can enjoy the right. Stop. It is succinctly observed in paragraph 42 of Himat Lal Kesh, paragraph 42 of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, reported in 1973 1 SCC 227, within bracket Himat Lal K. Shah versus Commissioner of Police Ahmedabad and another. Comma, paragraph 42 runs supra. Paragraph 42 টা quote করে। Next paragraph. Protests and rallies are being organized throughout the country, and it has also spread to the major cities including Kolkata. There was huge gathering of students and youth of the state yesterday at Esplanade, being heart of the city. Stop. Police had a trying time to tackle, or police had a difficult trying time to tackle such protest and to keep normalcy. Stop. Existing circumstances as appear to this court does not seem to be absolutely normal, which is a relevant consideration in this matter, since a separate program is proposed to be a separate rally is proposed to be organized by student wing of a particular political party. Stop. During existing situation, court does not find it feasible to permit the petitioner to hold rally which may escalate tension leading to breach of corresponding rights of citizens of Kolkata. Stop. Therefore, find substance in the contents of email communication dated 24 July 2026 made by Joint Commissioner of Police Headquarters, inter alia, stating that proposed program is not feasible from the standpoint of traffic management, public safety and security arrangement under the existing circumstances. Existing circumstances টা bold করে দিবে না, শুধু এই জায়গাটা। Next paragraph. In view of aforesaid conspectus, specially taking note of present situation which has emerged due to widespread due to widespread protest of students, this court is not inclined to interfere with the email communication dated 24 July 2026 issued on behalf of the police authorities. Stop. Next paragraph. Situation was quite different when court passed order on 23rd March 2026 in which order you have relied upon?
My lord, that Arnab Banerjee order, my lord.
When court passed order on 7 July 2026 on the 2nd July 2026 in Arnab Banerjee Supra. Stop. Agenda of such meeting was completely different. Agenda of such political program was also different. Next paragraph. Hence, a writ petition stands dismissed. There shall be no orders to post.
I'm extremely grateful. Extremely grateful.